Hey there, this is Rick with the Mercedes Diesel Guy channel. This is my 2002 Mercedes ML320 parts car. I have been pulling parts off it because I do want to get this thing out of the driveway and junk it. So I figured I would just do a quick video today. This is actually on removing the HVAC vent from the dashboard. And I imagine you might want to do this if you want to replace this. This is plastic. I imagine these can break. It essentially does clip into place here, but in order to remove it, you actually need to remove this side vent first, because otherwise this big piece will catch on that one. So give me a second. I'm just going to switch to my tool here. So here's the pry tool, and I'm just gonna wedge that in there, and then this just slides out of the dash. I think actually before I just started this, start that at the bottom and then unclip the top, and then this pulls straight out. You can see right here on the side, that's where that other vent piece, it sits into here, and if you don't pull that out first, the whole thing will just catch. So this is a good vent. Either going to save that for a spare or maybe put it up on eBay. So that's how to remove that part. And for those of you who are following along, I am going to be posting a longer video. I still need to edit it down on removing the security related components. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.